Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Easy Buy card on Flipkart. First, ensure your card is active and linked to your Flipkart account. This card simplifies your shopping experience, allowing you to make purchases with ease. We will cover selecting products, choosing the payment option, and completing your order. Get ready to unlock a seamless shopping journey with your Easy Buy card, making your desired items more accessible than ever before. Once your Easy Buy card is ready, navigate Flipkart to find eligible products. Many items across various categories can be purchased using this payment method. Simply add your chosen products to your cart, just as you would with any other purchase. Remember to check for any minimum cart value requirements that might apply to Easy Buy card transactions. This ensures a smooth checkout process when you proceed to payment. At the checkout page, you will see various payment options available. Carefully select your Easy Buy card from the list to apply it to your order. You might need to enter a one-time password or a PIN for security verification. This step confirms your identity and authorizes the transaction. Always double-check your order details before finalizing to ensure everything is correct and ready for delivery. After successful payment, you will receive an order confirmation on your screen and via email. This confirms your purchase using the Easy Buy card. You can then track your order's journey directly from your Flipkart account, from dispatch to delivery. For future purchases, always keep your card details secure and never share your PIN. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility your Easy Buy card offers for all your Flipkart shopping.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.